Emilia and the Three Birds. In a vibrant town filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the sound of rustling leaves, there lived a young girl named Emilia. She had a kind heart and a quiet voice, and she loved to spend her afternoons in the forest near her home. One sunny day, while sketching a beautiful bird she had seen, Emilia heard a faint cry for help. Following the sound, she discovered a small parrot with brilliant blue and yellow feathers tangled in a thorny vine. Carefully, Emilia freed the parrot, who introduced himself as Paz, a mischievous but kind bird with a passion for singing. A few days later, Paz introduced Emilia to his two best friends, Kiwi, a quick-witted green parrot who loved to dance, and Ollie, a wise and gentle black hand-orange bird who knew all the best songs. They became an inseparable quartet, exploring the forest together every day. One afternoon, as they rested on a branch, Paz began to sing a beautiful melody. It was a song so grand and emotional that it made Emilia's heart swell with joy. "What kind of song is that, Paz?" "It's called an opera," Paz replied. "It's a story told through song." Over the next few weeks, the three birds taught Emilia everything they knew about opera. Paz taught her how to fill her lungs with air to create powerful, long notes. Kiwi showed her how to use her body to express the emotions of the song, and Ollie helped her with her pitch, teaching her how to hit the high and low notes perfectly. Emilia practiced every day, and her voice grew stronger and more beautiful. Word of Emilia's incredible voice soon spread, and she was invited to sing at the town square's annual festival. The entire village gathered to hear her, but when she stepped onto the stage, Emilia suddenly froze. The crowd grew quiet as everyone waited for her to begin. Suddenly, she heard a familiar tune. Paz, Kiwi, and Ali had flown to a nearby branch and began to sing the opera song she had learned. Their small voices filled the air, giving Emilia the courage she needed. She closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and joined in, her voice blending with theirs in a breathtaking harmony. The crowd was captivated. From that day on, Emilia's voice echoed through the hearts of the town. She had become a celebrated singer. Her three feathered friends attended every one of her concerts, perched on a branch just off stage. Their presence was a constant reminder of how far she had come and of the true meaning of friendship. One evening, Emilia was late for a concert. As the audience grew restless, a rustle was heard from backstage, and Paz, Kiwi, and Ali flew onto the stage. The audience was delighted to see the birds and assumed it was part of the show. With a nod, Paz began to sing a short, beautiful opera piece. Kiwi danced along to the music, and Ollie added his unique harmony. The birds captivated the audience. This gave Emilia enough time to arrive. She joined them on stage, ready to perform. Whenever Emilia was invited to perform on stages around the world, she never forgot about her 3 teachers. Singing was a gift, and she owed her success to her 3 faithful friends, Paz, Kiwi, and Ali. As she continued to travel and perform at different gigs, she always carried a small pouch of seeds and a notebook filled with drawings of her friends. This is a reminder that the best music is made with a little help from those we love. The end. With this, friends, we've reached the end of our story. Sleep well, and may your dreams be sweet. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more dreamy stories that sprinkle magic into bedtime stories.